Picture this, launching a YouTube channel less than a month ago and already amassing 2 million subscribers, racking up millions of views. It sounds like a far-fetched dream for most creators, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. This meteoric rise didn't require fancy equipment, expensive production, or even original content. The secret? Posting BeamNG Drive videos. Exciting car simulation clips packed with dramatic crashes and thrilling stunts. Even crazier, he started his channel on December 5th, 2024. And today, he's living what most creators only dream of after years of hard work. What's the secret? It's not expensive gear, complex editing, or some secret algorithm hack. It's about using simple tools, clever strategies, and pure consistency. What he's done is the definition of genius. But here's the thing, they're not alone. Another channel is doing the same thing and already boasts 3 million subscribers. If rapid YouTube growth is what you're after, stay with me. I'll walk you through exactly how it's done. Let's get started. Step 1. Source viral content the smart way. Here's the secret most creators don't talk about. You don't need to create entirely original content. Instead, work smarter by finding and reusing viral-worthy material. The key is to add your own twist and make it your own. For this, Pinterest is an absolute treasure trove. Here's how to get started. Go to Pinterest via app or browser and set up a feed based on popular interests like car crashes, dramatic moments, or niche-specific content related to your interests. Look for attention-grabbing videos that already have traction. Pinterest is filled with high-quality clips that can be creatively repurposed. Once you find a video you like, hit the share button and copy the link. Use a Pinterest video downloader, easily found with a quick Google search, to save the video. Pro tip: focus on visually striking, emotionally charged content. This kind of material grabs viewers instantly and keeps them hooked. Step 2. Transforming content to avoid duplicate issues. This is where you make the video uniquely yours, adding value and avoiding duplicate content issues. Instead of posting raw downloads, which YouTube frowns upon, we'll take it to the next level with CapCut, an easy-to-use and versatile editing tool. Method 1. Adding a voiceover. A voiceover adds personality to your videos and keeps them engaging. Write a short, fun, and engaging script that complements the visuals. Use your voice or an AI-powered tool like 11 Labs to create high-quality narration. 11 Labs allows you to create professional-grade voiceovers without the need for expensive equipment. Import the video and the voiceover into CapCut, sync them together, and fine-tune the timing. Method 2. Adding creative logos. This trending method adds interactivity to your videos by attaching team logos or fun icons to the cars in the footage. Here's how to do it. Import the BeamNG Drive video into CapCut and adjust its ratio to 9:16 for vertical platforms. Search for relevant images, like logos of sports teams, and download them from Google. Upload the video and logos to CapCut. Crop and mask the logos using a circular mask for clean edges. Use CapCut's tracking tool to attach each logo to a specific car. Add text overlays, music, and even cinematic filters to make the video pop. When you finish editing, export the video in 4K resolution to maximize its quality and performance on YouTube Shorts. Step 3. Posting with a winning strategy. The next step is sharing your masterpiece with the world. Success doesn't only come from creating good videos, it also depends on how and when you post them. Posting tips. Catchy titles. Create compelling video titles that grab attention immediately. Detailed descriptions. Add a well-written description to explain what's in the video. Include relevant keywords to boost searchability. Timing matters. Post your videos during peak viewing hours. For instance, uploading between 9:00 to 9:30 a.m. often delivers strong engagement. Consistency is key. Post regularly, aim for 3 to 5 videos per week at a minimum to keep the algorithm pushing your content. Why this works? The BeamNG Drive niche is exploding because of its visual excitement and broad appeal. By focusing on transforming existing content Rather than reinventing the wheel, you can scale your content output rapidly while still complying with YouTube's guidelines. This method combines exploding trends. B-Manage Drive is trending and gaining traction fast. Free tools, CapCut, and AI voice tools make it accessible to anyone. Strategic posting. Smart uploading practices ensure your content gets seen. The sky's the limit. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, this method proves that massive growth is possible with the right niche, smart strategies, and consistency. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. So are you ready to join the ranks of viral creators? Let's make 2025 the year we crush YouTube together. Start today, follow these steps, and get ready to watch your channel take off.
Bye.